This is Holly T. Pug. Holly. And she loves to play with her fishing pole and her cheerful pet felted wool bone on the end of the fishing line. Right, Holly? You ready? Go get it. She has a hard time getting it in her mouth. And then when she finally gets it in her mouth, she'll hold on to it for a bit, and then she lets it go. And she can do this for eons. There she goes. Oh. But it's important to let her have some success with catching it. Otherwise, she will lose interest if she's always frustrated. But she loves this toy more than anything. Right, Hall?